Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Takstar shotgun microphone. Alright, so I did a bunch of research on shotgun microphones and we realized that we needed a shotgun microphone for various things. So we are filming a couple of YouTube videos for a client and they required filming a person with having the shotgun mic above them with a boom mic setup, and we needed a shotgun microphone because the lapel mic wasn't going to be good enough and we have a handheld which wasn't going to be good enough either. So we had to add this to the mix and get a shotgun. Now the reason why I chose this one over a, let's say, a Rode shotgun microphone was for a couple of reasons. I did a bunch of research online and I saw that this microphone, it's like a brand that you wouldn't find typically in a store, only online, was selling for between $35 to $45, and it was comparable to a Rode microphone. Now, I like to test things out, so I actually wanted to get this specific microphone and try it out. So let me do the unboxing for you guys. It comes in a box like this, pretty simple. The scientific name of it is the Takstar SGC-598 recording microphone. So I'm just gonna open it up here. And the first thing that I see is instructions, pretty standard. A Takstar bag, but I think that I wouldn't put the microphone in sort of like a soft cloth bag like this. I think I prefer to keep it in the box so that, you know, just in case something crushes it, that it won't get damaged. It might get damaged in this bag, but it is a cool velvet bag nonetheless. Then we remove the foam here, and then we have the microphone in place. So let's start off with the accessories and the little things. So there's these clip thingies. If you guys can see that. I'm guessing these are like extra pieces if something breaks off of the microphone. And then I'll just pull out the actual microphone. And here it is right here. Just focus on that so you guys can see it properly. You know, it looks pretty basic. It's not too big. And if you had a camera here, it would just slide onto the top like so. And then you just clip it, screw this in here to make sure that this doesn't fall out. And then this cord goes into your mic jack on your camera. So this is how it would look on a camera. Now the one thing that I will say is that when you are, you know, if you use the viewfinder up at the camera, that, you know, you can sort of get your face close, but your forehead is gonna touch this part, you know, but I personally don't put my face so close. I just use the screen here. So if that's, you know, if you do use this part right here, then that's something to be aware of, that it does stick out. It does take one AA battery, and the battery that I'm using is an EBL rechargeable battery. I love EBL batteries. They last for a long time, and you know, they were actually a really good price on Amazon. Anytime I'm listing any products, the links will always be down in the description below. Once you have your battery in, you can basically just turn on the on switch here, and then it's going to show a green light, and that means you are good to go. So I'm going to do some test audio for you guys. I'm going to have both this Rode microphone on right now and then the Takstar on as well, and then I'm going to have it here on the Nikon D5500. So I'm just going to do some recording here. Alright, so test. This is the Takstar shotgun microphone. I'm standing maybe about maybe 2 feet away from both of the shotgun microphones. Again, this is the Takstar shotgun microphone. The Takstar microphone is between $35 to $45, and this Rode microphone, I believe, is $299, closer to the $300 range. So you guys can decide for yourself which one would be a better deal for you, and which one, you know, if you're on a budget that maybe you need to get the Takstar, or maybe, you know, you can go ahead and get the Rode shotgun microphone. So since using the Takstar microphone, I've basically had it set at the 0 setting and then the top one right here, and it's been fine for what I do indoors. I have not tried this outdoors yet. When I do, I'll create another tutorial video on that. But for the price and the quality, it's amazing. Like, you can't beat the price and the quality of this shotgun microphone. Definitely, if you are on a budget, I would highly suggest getting this microphone, because for $35, $45, you cannot get anything else like this. So if you guys are interested in checking out the Takstar shotgun microphone, head down to the description below, as I will have the links for you guys. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.